Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me a picture, a drawing, and a very detailed message that I couldn't really 100% understand. But I'm thinking he wants to make this shape out of these two items plus another item on the end. I don't know how far he wants to bevel this up, but we're going to just zoom in on here and we get the shape tool. And if we get that right there, we can know that it's not a curve. So we need to go to object and convert it to a curve. That way we can see our nodes. Now this thing is 0.141. So let's say we just want to go half the size. We're going to change our nudge factor. See, he's got this to 0.21. I'm just going to go and change that. It doesn't really matter. But I'm going to change this to 0.07, which is about half that. And I'm going to take that node right there and I'm going to click the right arrow key and I get that shape. Now I'm just going to take this one over and have it snap to it if you need to have snap to object on. Now, here's a little good trick. This box is 5 inches long. So now we're going to set our nudge factor on 5 inches. We're going to take this shape and we're going to move the object origin to that side. And I'm going to control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. And then I can nudge it 5 inches and it put it exactly on the other end. Now he was more concerned too about filling it in. Just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. And then take your smart fill tool and set on any color. I'm going to go ahead and use black. That way it's all, now this is all one piece. If we look here, this is 3 pieces. So if we select it all, you've got 3 objects. This is just one object. And then you can left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline for cutting out, and you're good to go. This, for the one I'm doing it for, send me a photo of one of your train cars. He's been doing a bunch of train cars and to exactly to this car. Anyway, hope I understood and thank you for watching.